Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you step by step how you can use the referral code on Shein. So basically guys, go to official website, and after that choose any product, and I want to use this example and product, and choose size and color, something like this, and click view on cart, and click on checkout. After checkout, you see you fill in your information here and type your information about address, something like this. After here make you can see here coupon code, as you can see here. So basically you have, if you have code, enter code. If you don't have, you can use Google to find different code, referral code, and here simply click on apply. After copy this code. So here I have to use the referral code. Guys, I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Keep watching, like, share this video guys, please.